In this lecture, we're going to have a look at 10 examples of AI that you are already using. We'll explore the fascinating ways in which artificial intelligence has already seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. From virtual assistants to recommendation systems, AI is all around us. Let's dive into 10 examples that showcase how AI has become an integral part of our regular routines. My first example is virtual assistants. Think of Siri or Google Assistant or Alexa. These AI-powered companions can answer questions, set reminders, play music, and even control smart home devices, all with just a voice command. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, and these are only going to get better and better. Then there's large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini or Copilot, or even Llama or Grok, or many more that might be out by the time you watch this video. Not only are people using these services, but they are also becoming embedded into web browsers and apps for additional functionality. ChatGPT managed to reach 100 million active users in just 2 months. To compare to Facebook, Facebook took 2.5 years to reach that many users. For a glimpse on where virtual assistants might be headed, check out the product from startup Rabbit R1. This little device is more than a large language model, it is a large action model, a LAM, which is a new type of foundation model that understands human intentions on computers. Basically, it can log in and use your apps on your behalf to do things like order taxis, plan trips, amongst other things. I'll leave a link in the resources section if you want to have a look at their promo demonstration of this device. It's quite interesting. Next up, recommendation systems. Whether you're browsing Netflix or Amazon or Spotify, AI algorithms analyze your preferences and behaviors and suggest personalized content. It's how you discover that next binge-worthy series or that perfect product or your new favorite song. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter leverage AI to curate your content feed. The algorithms analyze your interactions, preferences, and behavior to prioritize posts, advertisements, and suggest connections, creating a personalized user experience. Personally, I find Instagram really good at this. How many times have you been scrolling through Instagram only to stop to see a really interesting product? This is testament to Instagram or Meta's ability to match the right kind of products to the right kind of users using AI. Okay, here's a question for you. When was the last time you actually stopped to ask somebody for directions? Google Maps and Waze use AI to provide real-time traffic updates, suggest optimal routes, and help you to avoid congestion. These apps continuously learn from user data, making your daily commute a smoother experience. Next, ever wonder how your email knows what's spam and what is not? Well, AI is the magic behind it. Email filtering algorithms analyze patterns to identify and divert spam or potentially harmful messages, ensuring your inbox is clutter-free and secure. And next, AI-powered chatbots. Many websites now feature AI-powered chatbots for customer support. These bots provide instant access, answering frequently asked questions and guiding users through various processes. It's a quick and efficient way to address common queries, and it can be used to segue the customers to the right customer service when needed, and it can offer 24/7 customer service, at least at the service level, answering those common queries. AI has made its mark in the health and fitness industry as well. Apps like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal use AI to track and analyze user data, offering personalized workout routines, dietary recommendations, and insights into your overall health. It's like having a personal health coach in your pocket. Now, language barriers, they are no longer a hurdle. Thanks to AI-driven translation services like Google Translate, these tools use machine learning algorithms to provide accurate and contextually relevant translations between languages, facilitating communication in our globalized world. If you've never actually used the Google Translate camera, give it a try when you're next on holiday. You'll find it quite amazing. All you do is select the language that you want to translate from and to, and then hold the camera over the menu that you're trying to order from, and it will look at the language that you can't understand, and through the camera it will actually overlay a translation over the top of it. It's very, very, very clever, and it's a really, really quick way to translate the language that you need. Now, it's really useful for ordering food on holiday, I've found. These tools use machine learning algorithms to provide accurate and contextually relevant translations between different languages, facilitating communication in our globalized world. While not yet widespread, AI is making waves in the automotive industry. Some cars now incorporate AI for features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance, paving the way for the development of autonomous vehicles and transforming our daily commute. AI has already been used in healthcare for tasks like medical image analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations, assisting healthcare professionals in making more accurate and timely decisions. I'll cover some of these and many of the examples in the course. Next up, we've got smart home devices. Smart home devices are like your smart thermostat or security cameras, and appliances that often incorporate AI for automation, energy management, security monitoring, and voice control, making homes more convenient and energy efficient. Web stores like Amazon use AI to track customer purchasing behavior and to determine how many units of a specific product it anticipates customers will be willing to buy to ensure that it continues to hold just the right amount of stock in its local warehouses. Going back to language again, Duolingo, the language learning app, utilizes AI for personalized learning paths to assess a user's starting knowledge through an adaptive placement test. This ensures users begin at the appropriate level, neither too basic nor too overwhelming. It also uses AI for optimizing learning sequence through a system called BirdBrain, which analyzes user performance data. It personalizes the learning sequence by identifying which exercises a user needs most and presenting them with the optimal difficulty level to maximize learning and engagement. As I'm learning Spanish, this is something that I'm particularly benefiting from. Gracias, Duolingo. And there you have it. 10 examples of how AI is already integrated into the products and services that we use, meaning that we use AI all the time in our daily lives. From the convenience of virtual assistants to the personalization experiences offered by recommendation systems, AI continues to shape the way we live, work, and interact with technology. This is just the start. AI will become more present, which gives businesses massive opportunity to make the most of it. So let's explore how we can make the most of it so we don't get left behind.